What's the meaning of business to business? Business to business. Business to business.
Business to business. Business to business. Business to business, often abbreviated as B2B, refers to transactions or interactions that take place between two businesses rather than between a business and an individual consumer. In this type of commerce, companies sell goods or services to other companies for the purpose of further production or resale, rather than directly to the end consumer. B2B transactions can take many forms, including wholesale purchases, supply chain partnerships, and joint ventures. This approach allows businesses to more efficiently procure the goods and services they need to operate, and can foster long-term relationships built on mutual benefit and trust.